gunfire around him barely distracts this man from his cigarette, but there's supposed to be a ceasefire in place. This is Kachin mountain, and these are the fighters of the Kachin Independence Army. The Myanmar government announced the ceasefire on Friday. On Saturday it was due to come into effect, but on Sunday the Kachin separatists are still taking casualties.
I'm not sure what happened. Either I've been shot in the head or a bullet has grazed me.
The fighters say the Myanmar army is on the attack. A witness says soldiers are about 5 miles from the rebel headquarters and fighter jets flew overhead. The Kachin Independence Army is accusing the government of ignoring its own ceasefire.
Our leader ordered us to live in our bunkers. It's the army who sneak up and shoot at us like hunters.
We have not been given orders to shoot. If they attack us, we only defend. Our reason for being here is not to attack, we just defend our territory. We have never attacked since the war began.
A previous ceasefire held for 17 years, but Myanmar and the Kachin separatists are again in conflict and have been fighting for 20 months now. In Yangon in the south, President Thein Sein insists he's committed to seeking peace. He's just met with the Chinese Deputy Foreign Minister to discuss the Kachin issue and says he's not ordered any army assault.
In order to gain sustainable peace all over the country, there is no other way but to hold talks at the negotiating table as soon as possible, without deviating from the path of building sustainable peace.
10 other major rebel groups have already agreed ceasefires with the government, but for now the Kachin fighters are in their bunkers, under fire and far from the negotiating table. Will Jordan, Al Jazeera.